YouTube is changing day in and day out, and as a small YouTuber, even with 0 subscribers, there is no better time to start pushing out content and growing your channel. Lots of small YouTubers are having massive explosions and views in only their first couple of videos. But there was actually a good explanation to this increase in views. Channels just operating their first videos are seeing thousands and even millions of views. After a deep look into these channels, it is clear that they all have 3 things in common, which I will tell you in just a moment. Just recently, YouTube's algorithm has shifted to give a spotlight towards smaller creators like you and me. This change is incredibly impacted by TikTok's use of this same algorithm. On TikTok, small accounts are pushed to the For You page to give an influx of views in their first couple of videos. When creators see these initial views, it gives them a feeling of motivation and inspires them to keep pushing out more and more content. In the case of TikTok, this means more videos, more users, and more money for them. So now YouTube is doing this exact same thing, but there's a slight catch to this: your video must be of high quality. YouTube used to push out content based on how frequently a creator would post, but now YouTube has realized that this is no longer the most convenient way to keep people on their app. Small creators are using this change to their advantage and have started making money at extremely high rates. But how do you take advantage of this change in reality? It will all depend on the quality of your next few videos. But how do you know if your video is high quality? Well, YouTube video quality is defined by these 3 factors: the average view duration, the title, and of course the thumbnail. If you can consistently perform well in these 3 areas, even if you don't have a single subscriber, yet YouTube's algorithm will push out your content to millions of people. This specific channel had only 3 subscribers before posting their first video. But after a full week of tuneful editing, the video was posted and has now racked up over 1 million views. But what can you learn from this? Choose a topic that interests you. Create a script record, a simple voiceover. Edit a compelling video that will keep viewers watching, and make sure to have an interesting title and thumbnail. People you don't know will always give you the most honest tips. So if you're not sure how good your video or thumbnail is, ask a stranger or even someone you do know, like a friend or family member, when you think your video is finally ready to be posted. Upload it to YouTube. Will usually take about 3 days before pushing your video to the home page, and test to see whether it's good or not. If the algorithm receives positive feedback from your click-through rate in average view duration, it will start sending it out to a larger audience. In conclusion, right now is the easiest and best time to start growing a YouTube channel. So if you don't start now, you're missing the greatest deal of your life. You can show support to this new channel by subscribing if you liked this video.